Welcome back, guys, and part 11 of our series on how to create an epic Discord server for your YouTube channel has begun, my friends. As you can see, we have set up this server stats bot. You can see all the number of members, bot numbers, member numbers, everything is set up. Carl bot, Me6 bot, server stats bot, everything. Now we are going to focus on another very important thing, and in part 11 I am going to be inviting a members plus bot for Discord. So I have put the link in the description box, my friends, and I have going to invite it straight away, my friends. So select a server. I am going to choose YouTube channel name server and then continue. To grant the following permission on YouTube channel. Yes, I am going to give administrator rights and confirm this because I need members. I have got nothing else to lose, my friends. And now the members plus bot has been activated. You are now moments away from getting hundreds of members. Need help getting started? Check out our YouTube video, and this will automatically just pump in members to me somehow, and I think it's too good to be true, but maybe one member a week is fine with me. I have got nothing to lose, my friends. So this is the members bot, my friends, that we have invited to our Discord server. Part 12 is coming right up. Stay tuned, my friends.